The sentence that strikes us in today's passage is nothing is impossible with God. We heard the similar echoes in yesterday's gospel passage where the angel appears to Zechariah in his old age while he was serving in the sanctuary of the temple. The good news was God will prepare through him and his wife Elizabeth a person who will prepare the way for the Lord, the Messiah, to come. And today we heard about who this Messiah will be. And this announcement comes to another woman, this time a young maiden, a virgin, who was given the good news, who said, "You are full of grace." Let's reflect about her response to the word of God that came to her through the angel Gabriel. The response is, we could use different words for it. It's like a potter got full of clay before him and he wants to make a vessel of a size which he has in mind. And the clay allows itself, because it's so soft and so to say soft, that allows itself to be molded according to the shape the potter has in mind. So the words, "I am the handmaid of the Lord, be done to me according to your word," actually means I am at your service. In a way, in a passive manner, not just at this moment, for the rest of my life. Do with me what you wish. It's not just taking part passively today. It is taking part actively in his whole mystery of salvation. Not just passive, but active. So Mary allowed herself to be molded by God the way God wanted. And God asks us also at times, we are in his own image and likeness created. Do we allow ourselves to be molded by him, or do we, in a way, let our will, our ego come in the way? We pause for a while and reflect on this message of the Annunciation to Mary. Mary's language, the fiat we call it, and what is our response when God comes to us.